Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel where we share the best tips and tricks to help you make money online. If you're looking to make some extra cash by just answering surveys or playing games, you've come to the right place. Imagine earning money while doing something as simple as sharing your opinions or enjoying your favorite mobile games. But before diving in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our amazing money-making tips. We're constantly updating our channel with new and exciting ways to boost your income. We're always sharing effective methods to earn online, and you can do this from anywhere in the world. Whether you're at a cozy coffee shop, relaxing in a park, or just chilling at home, you can start making money with just a few clicks. While you're at it, leave a comment below and let me know which country you're watching from so we can tailor content just for you. Alright, let's get started. Your feedback helps us create content that's relevant and useful for everyone. Today I'm talking about TopSurveys, a legitimate survey site that lets you earn real money by answering surveys and completing paid offers. This platform is perfect for anyone looking to make some extra cash without much effort. It's an incredibly simple and accessible way to make some extra cash by just sharing your opinions or playing mobile games. You don't need any special skills or experience to get started. First up, TopSurveys has an easy sign-up process and a super user-friendly interface. You can get started in just a few minutes, and the website is designed to be intuitive and easy to navigate. This makes it convenient for anyone looking to earn rewards in their spare time. Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or just someone looking to make a little extra money, TopSurveys is a great option. One of the best ways to make money on TopSurveys is by answering surveys. These surveys are designed to gather your opinions on various topics, and your feedback is valuable to companies looking to improve their products and services. All you need to do is log into the member dashboard, click on the survey link on the left, and you'll see all the available surveys you can answer. It's that simple. Each survey you complete earns you points that can be converted into cash. Another great way to earn is by completing paid offers. These offers can range from signing up for free trials to downloading apps and more. These are small tasks that reward you for completing them. They're quick and easy, and you can do them whenever you have a few spare minutes. Typically, these tasks include playing mobile games, signing up for other apps and websites, and even watching videos. It's a fun and easy way to boost your earnings while doing things you already enjoy. It's a fun and easy way to boost your earnings. And what's even better, you can do it all from the comfort of your home or on the go. TopSurveys has a low payout threshold of just $5. This means you don't have to wait long to cash out your earnings. This means you can cash out your earnings quickly via PayPal, direct bank transfer, or even gift cards. The flexibility in payout options makes it easy for you to choose the method that works best for you. So no waiting around for ages to see your hard-earned cash. You can start enjoying your earnings almost immediately. If you've enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us improve and bring you even better content. Your feedback is always appreciated. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful. Thanks so much for watching. We appreciate your support and look forward to bringing you more great content. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and of course, subscribe and turn on notifications to stay updated on future videos. Sharing is caring, and it helps us reach more people who can benefit from these tips. Until next time, happy earning. Keep exploring new ways to make money online and stay tuned for more exciting updates.